No more frustrated users in Dynamics Business Central. Whenever they need help, they can just click on the Need Help tab, which is always present. The free VisualSP help system has the most important Business Central how-to content your users need to be successful in their daily work, both in form of concise how-to articles as well as short tutorial videos. For example, fundamental content such as bank account reconciliation, working with purchase invoices, creating sales quotes, working with journal entries, creating a blank purchase order, filtering list of records by date range, and much more. All available at your user's fingertips without having to search for it. Let's look at an example. Bank account reconciliation with AutoMatch. It's hard for your users to remember all these steps, but now they have this article with step-by-step instructions with screenshots on how to perform the process. They can pop this out on a separate screen while they work in Business Central side by side. Or they can even print out the document so they have it available on their desk for the next time they go through this process. Now let's look at a how-to video. Here's one about creating a blank purchase order, which also talks briefly about why you would create a blank purchase order in the first place. This video comes up right on the screen showing the user exactly what they need to do step by step to create a blank purchase order. They can pop out this video as well and watch it while they're performing the steps. Having all this information at your user's fingertips makes it easy for them to get access to learning within the flow of their work, making them a lot more productive. Like what you see? Want to try it out for yourself? It's easy. Search for VisualSP plugin in your browser, click on the first result, and then download the Ask Vic browser extension by VisualSP, available for Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. That's it. Once the browser plugin is installed, it all works automatically, just like I showed. Feedback is always welcomed, so let us know what we can improve on. Thanks for watching.